Welcome to Honey's Kitchen. Today I am going to prepare chaat recipe. Add 1 cup of raw peas and soak it for 2 hours. And put them into pressure cooker for 3 whistles. Ingredients: tomatoes, chopped onions, chaat masala, save. Keep the pan on the stove and add 1 tablespoon of oil, half cup of onions, saute for 2 minutes, and then add tomato puree and saute it for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add chili powder, coriander powder, garam masala, cumin powder and salt, and chaat masala, and add the pieces. And put it on the low flame for 5 minutes. Yes, it's ready to serve. Tasty chaat recipe is ready. Now you can add onions, coriander, bundi is optional. Add save. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe to Honey's Kitchen.